that's not good. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's actually the end of the day. So I already filmed the whole vlog. I had to check engine light, but I figured out how to delete my AFM valves without having to do any modifications, no tune, nothing like that. All I did was zip tie them. Check out the video. Man, I gotta check engine light. I think it's from the AFM valves. So right now I'm on my way. I'm headed to AutoZone. We're gonna take care of that. I gotta swing by the post office. We broke 100 subscribers, so that's my 100 subscriber giveaway right there. Really, we blew past it now. Well, we about to crack 150, y'all, so I appreciate everybody rocking with me lately. And then we got a huge update for the channel, you guys. Like I told you, I've been grinding the last couple weeks for the channel. Y'all about to see what I've been doing all this time, so let's go. Damn, y'all. Hold up the O'Reilly's right here. They ain't doing the check engine light testing because of COVID, man. I swear this pandemic got everything fucked up, for real, for real. It is what it is. I actually got it delivered. I got my HP tuners delivered, the OBD2 tuner kit and all of that stuff, but I haven't sent my ECU in or anything like that, so I can't actually use it to scan my car yet. At least I don't think. If y'all know more about HP tuners, holla at me, because I came from Mustangs where we had the SCT tuners and everything just works totally different than HP tuners. So if y'all know more, get at me for real. Oh, I also forgot to tell you guys, I don't know if you guys saw in the startup, one of my exhaust mufflers is like hanging kind of low. So I'm gonna take care of that shit today too, because I've been scraping that motherfucker, y'all. Man. And let's go, y'all. It's the christening of the new shop. Let's get it. Y'all know the vibes. That's how motherfuckers in New York say, y'all know the vibes. Man, welcome to the shop, baby. Quick pro tip though, high key, high key. Don't do a ladder and no Vapor Maxes, y'all. But anyways, this is the giant update I've been talking about, you guys. I've been working here the last 2 weeks, grinding. Like, I can never express to you guys the amount of work that I did to get this shop ready, y'all. And real quick too, I wanna say shout out to my family. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I love y'all too, man. I appreciate the help, helping me get this baby home. But let's take a look around. Obviously, I got my whip up on the hoist. We got a full-blown functional shop, man. We got toolboxes. We got all the chemicals up there that you need, man. Transmission stands, oil change things, man. Got my toolbox set up right here. Got the old boxes from my exhaust. Got storage back here, man. We got nuts and bolts, more chemicals, man. I'm telling y'all, this is a real deal shop. We got the compressor. Yeah, man. Who else y'all know on YouTube this few subscribers doing it like this in a shop, man? Nobody. If y'all ain't hit that sub button right now, what are y'all doing, man? Who's doing this? But anyways, you guys, let's get what this video's about. Obviously, I couldn't get my check engine light checked out. I'm pretty sure it's the AFM valves. And then if you guys see my exhaust, this one's hanging, man. I scraped this mofo. Oh, it ain't too bad. Man. Oh, damn, I scraped this one too. I'm gonna have to be careful, y'all. Also too, while I'm down here, I wanna get back down and torque all of these back down. I never did actually torque them down. Man, it looked like the whole X-pipe is leaning a little bit this way. So we're gonna loosen all this up, see if I can get this pushed back up. I'm actually really happy it didn't scrape the face too much. It's all kind of at the ends here. So I've only scraped it 3 times and it's already looking like this. So let's get that taken care of. We'll check out the AFM valve, see if we got something going on. Let's get it, let's go. And I don't know where y'all from, man, but here in California, it been hot as shit the last couple days. Look, I got sweat dripping down my arms. So if y'all got some fan noise in the background, it is what it is. I know the lighting ain't the best in here right now, you guys, but in due time, that's coming. We're gonna get better lighting in here. All right, let's go ahead and get these loosened up, see what's going on. Damn, I got sweat just dripping out these gloves. Man, it's been over 100 and something degrees here in California the last few days. It was raining and thundering in California. Like, what is going on? Check this out. So I kind of messed up the line there, but this looks like it's an exhaust leak. Obviously, this looks like maybe a low spot in the exhaust, if you guys can see how it's at an angle. So water is dripping back up out of here. I've even got a little bit up here. So I didn't actually torque these down originally. I just kind of put them on whatever. So maybe they weren't torqued down enough. Maybe I've got an exhaust leak here and I need to do something else about it. But yeah, so for now, I'm gonna tighten all this back down because I've lifted up that one side of the exhaust. So I'm gonna torque all this back down and then see if that actually takes care of the issue. I'll probably check it again in a week or something like that. As you can see, I've got this one exhaust side pushed way up. Now, obviously it's sitting much higher than the other one, but that's not permanent because if you guys know, the exhaust will actually drop back down a little bit once you actually take this pressure off of it. It'll kind of hang on these hangers more. So I'm just trying to get it pushed up as far as I can. I've still got plenty of clearance plenty of clearance everywhere, so no issues with that. Now let's check out these AFM valves. You see this one here, it's zip tied up and the zip tie is not touching the valve at all. If you come over to this side, or I guess these aren't valves, the actuator, whatever the hell you want to call it. If you look, this zip tie is just barely touching this AFM valve. So I'm really guessing that this is the one giving me issues, and when this thing goes to turn or something, it's catching on that zip tie a little bit, and that's what's causing my check engine light. I'm almost positive. But like I said, at O'Reilly's, I wasn't even able to actually get my code red because of quarantine. They're not coming out to people's cars and freaking doing it. So I mean, I get it, I understand why. I ain't trying to catch the Rona, but damn. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this all back down. I got this side pulled up. I think while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and jack this side up too, see if I can get that tightened down, torque everything. I'll probably catch back up with you guys once I've done that, and I'm about to get to this right here. I got this side all tightened down. Guess I'm just gonna go ahead and wiggle this out. We'll see how much it actually drops. Not that much at all. Okay, I like that a lot, so I'm definitely about to do this side now. All right, we got this side done. Pull this out. Perfect. Oh yeah, that's tucked in there so much better, you guys. Cool, so hopefully that fixes my scraping issues. But now I've got an issue with clearance on my exhaust tips. I'm probably gonna wait till I'm all done working underneath the car and then lower my car down to about this height to really get a look at my exhaust tips, because if y'all been watching the videos, y'all know the first time I put this up, my exhaust tips on the left side, man, had that crooked eye looking at you, man. Yeah, you looking at me or him over there, man. Got that busting out all that new for y'all today, man. Shout out to my grandpa for that torque wrench. Damn, you guys, check this out, man. This sucker's so heavy too. This is the nicest torque wrench I've ever had. I'm used to that old school one, you turning it and then it click. That's how you know you hit it. But all right, you guys, let's get these torqued down to 45 foot-pounds. There it is, y'all. You hear that? I'm really hoping this solves the exhaust clamp leak issue that I had, because I'm seeing I wasn't tight enough at all. There we go. Wow. Double check I hit it. Yep. Cool. Damn, it's hot, y'all. So I got everything torqued down. So they're all 45 foot-pounds of torque. I even went up here and torqued these back down. Should be all good to go. I'm really hoping that solves that exhaust leak. But let's get to this AFM valve here. This is the one, looks like it was catching a little bit on the zip tie. Clip it off. And then we're gonna try to re-zip tie this thing. I might have moved the camera too much for y'all to even see this time, but this is what we did. Zip tied it over here, just so that it's out of the way of this little actuator here. So hopefully this works. It's in there pretty solid. I don't think it's gonna move. I'll have it back up here in the next couple days and we'll check it again. So let's go ahead and get this lowered down. Then we get these exhaust tips straightened out, because they looking a little cockeyed right now. Yo, check these out, y'all, what I got for the shop too. We got signs Shout out to my mom and my stepdad, man. And my old job, low key. Got the little something signs. We got the Coors Light, dude. We got the Mustangs. Y'all know I come from Mustangs. We rocking with everybody on this channel, man. We loving all muscle cars, period. Look at that one more time, baby. The shot. Wow, that one's touching right there. Definitely got to lower that before I start this thing, melt this whole valance off. You guys see how much smaller that pipe is there. This is the pipe it flows through when the valve closes and it quiets down. And this is obviously the one it's flowing through normally. You see how much darker that tip is. Y'all know I don't put it in quiet mode too much. Oh yeah, look at that exhaust. It's tucked way better under there. I like that a lot. I think that's gonna be all right, yo. Liking the way this looks right here. I think I'm gonna tighten this down. I don't really like my exhaust sticking out past the valance too much. So as y'all can see, I just barely got it out of the valance. I like mine to look more flush and more factory kind of look, but that's just me though. Alright you guys, so I had to switch cameras, so if the angle ain't as wide, my GoPro died. But anyways, check it out. That engine light is already off. So it looks like that AFM valve must have been what was causing that check engine light. That little actuator was getting hung up on that zip tie there. So cool, I'm hyped about that. Ain't got to stress about that anymore. I noticed my exhaust note too, it sounds like slightly different than it did before. So I don't know if that's because I fixed the leak that was there or what, but yeah, I'm liking the way this sounds, so cool. I'm happy about that for sure. Damn, I think I hear my brakes squeaking. Though, y'all, of course, y'all already know. Viva la Mexico! Look at that. My old job right there. Hey, shout out to my boss, too. My old boss. I know he watching my videos. Matter of fact, both my bosses watching my videos. So, shout out to y'all, man. Here we go, y'all. Pulling up to the post office. Drop this package off right here. Yo, so I don't want to show his name on the other side here. Y'all see I got the package on there. But anyways, shout out to Wesley, dude. I ain't gonna put your government or nothing out there, but shout out to you. I appreciate you subscribing, rocking with the channel. I'm sorry, I know I'm late mailing this off, but told you I got you, dogs. There you go. Shout out to Wesley in Kentucky. He be commenting on my videos and everything, so I appreciate you. I appreciate everybody subbing lately. If you guys want to see something on my channel, man, drop it down in the comments down below what y'all want to see. Ask anybody that's been subscribed for a little while. I always try to come through for y'all, man. This is my channel just as much as it's your channel. So this is our channel, really, when you think about it. So y'all supporting me, I try to support you. I just want to say I appreciate all of you. Look at, here's homie in the Camaro right here, though, homie. I see you, bruh. Got you a 5th gen. All right, y'all, but this your boy Whisper Thing, and I'm out this thing, baby. Hey.